There's an interesting new filter system available. It isn't widespread in the United States. If you want to buy it in the United States, you can buy it from B&H Photo. I thought I would run through an unboxing and explanation so that you can learn more about it and see if this is something that you're interested in buying for yourself. Most of the reviews are in languages other than English, so I thought I would do an unboxing for you. This is the HY, also Marami, filter holder. Is the circular polarizer. These allow you to expand the filter holder so that you can take in filters that have not been magnetized, that you just want to slide in. If you want to take out the circular polarizer, you can replace it with this cover to keep light from sneaking in. This is available on Amazon. This really feels very solid. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall off. If you get concerned, you can tighten it by tightening this screw, and then it really isn't going to come off. But this is a tight enough magnetic attachment that I don't have a concern. So this is 100 by 100. I can put this into the filter holder and then put this filter holder into the pouch, and then put the filter holder into the front pocket of the pouch. Filter holder comes with a magnetic filter mount so that you can take an existing filter that you already have that's square and make it into a magnetic filter with its own pouch, the user manual, These are currently available for approximately $35, but you get one set with the filter holder. This means that if you have your own filters already, you can still use this. If you have a preference for another company's filters, you can use them and still have the magnetic system. And one of the top reasons for getting a square filter is so that you have more flexibility when you're using a graduated neutral density filter. This is 100 by 150. With its own nice pouch. One of the things I like is that I don't have to hold the glass by the glass. I can take this filter and place it in the back pocket of the pouch, but it won't fit. Because it's 100 by 150, it doesn't fit into the same pouch as the filter holder, which means either you're going to have to use two filter holders to go out with this system, or you're going to have to buy a replacement that will hold the holder and all of your filters. The system also comes with rings in a little pouch. It comes with the 67 you just saw, and also a 72, 77, and 82. It's best to take off the hood before you attempt to attach this. Don't leave the hood stored. You can then tighten it with little screws on each side. And now the system is on. If you want to adjust the circular polarizer, you've got this nice little wheel right here that will do so. You can remove the polarizer just by lifting this little hatch and pulling it out. And now the benefit of this system. You can easily take a magnetic filter and just snap it on. It's nice and tight. It's not going to fall off. It feels very stable. But if you're concerned about it, you can tighten this screw, and now it really isn't going to go anywhere. The system allows you to add two little brackets here so that you can just slide a filter in. But if you only use their holders, that's not going to be needed. An advantage of their holders is that you can hold them by the holders instead of holding them and getting your fingerprints on the glass itself. You also have a little protection in case you drop it like I just did. And then you can stack them really easily. Again, it feels solid. It doesn't feel like it's going anywhere.